If you love to bake and produce homemade bread, then this Panasonic Breadmaker is perfect for you. With various modes to explore new recipe ideas, equipped with superior quality kneading blades and an impressive 0.8 kilogram capacity, you'll be able to produce fresh bread with superb quality, all at the convenience of whenever you feel like it. Equipped with 10 bread and dough modes, this Panasonic Breadmaker enables you to produce lovely fresh bread of several varieties and to also cater for any dietary needs such as gluten-free. This Breadmaker is great for those who want to explore a wider array of bread varieties such as pizza dough, French, Italian or rye bread. The non-stick surface and kneading blades are specially coated with diamond particles for extra toughness and scratch resistance, ensuring that you can make batches of fresh bread with great peace of mind. With an impressive 0.8 kilogram capacity, this Panasonic Breadmaker is capable of making bread of various sizes, from medium to extra large sizes, perfect for producing small quantities or large batches for the avid baker, or providing loaves for a larger family. Become an esteemed baker and explore a wider range of bread recipes with the Panasonic Breadmaker.